Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to upload high-quality images on the X mobile app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through every step to make sure your photos look their best when you post them on X. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Now tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. From here, tap on Data Usage. Scroll down until you find the section called High Quality Image Uploads. Finally, tap on it and choose your preferred setting, either Wi-Fi only or mobile data and Wi-Fi. That's it. You've successfully updated your image upload settings. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. Making this simple change can really improve how your posts appear on X. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.